We're going to start tonight taking a look at regional humidity levels with the dew points that are more typical to better show us what's out there for what we're going to feel. Again, the dew point, the higher the number, more invisible water vapor in the air that we feel is humid. For us, it's 70 to 75. Below 70, those 60s, 50s feel phenomenal. So we've got drier air that's working in 56 Memphis, 63 to Jackson. But where we start tonight, we're going to get you in from here to the tropics because we had our latest system develop here, and this is what's called a potential tropical cyclone. It's the ninth system of the year. What happens, this is expected to be at least a tropical depression, and it's got to be a tropical storm making landfall and affecting populations, and that's why the National Hurricane Center wants to issue tracks, forecast tracks in strength on this. You can see the forecast tracks from computer forecasts very much in agreement with the track. There is a discrepancy at the very end of this. Does this go inland? Does this combine with another system? Does this head out to sea? That's about the only question with the system we have at this time. You can see it's forecast to be a tropical depression this weekend, then going tropical storm. This will be named Imelda, maybe a Cat 1. Could be even stronger. National Hurricane Center official track actually wants to go with the solution that's been trending that wants to take this out to sea, but there could be some energy combining with another big storm. But the reason I'm spending time on this, unfortunately, already putting forth tropical humidity storms to areas that were hit by Hurricane Helene's leftovers last year, western North Carolina, the devastating floods and terrible tragedies there. So we're hoping that we don't see a situation that compounds to the situation. They're still recovering. It will take them a long time as we know that happens, but this forecast wants to put down a lot of rain officially from the Weather Prediction Center, at least a baseline 5 inches. That's over the next 7 days. Our American forecast, the forecast out of the U.S. around 4, but over 5, really high totals coming in with the forecast out of Europe. So we will monitor that one closely, sending our best to our friends and neighbors, brothers and sisters in North Carolina. Rapid intensification out of Humberto, now a 4, expected to be a 5. That would be the second one this season. No impact. Does bring a lot of surf and even rip currents to the East Coast, though, and could lash Bermuda. Back at home, though, locally, because we don't have any impact from the tropics over the next week to maybe 2 weeks. It is enjoyable fall weather. Already 60s North Shore, 81 lakefront. That's the water temperatures at 84. And the dew points in the 60s you can find. So the forecast is all about temperature, humidity, rain chances. Really tough to find for a while. Second front that came through, there's the look at the little bit cooler, the less humid air that's here, kind of skirts through this weekend before it does allow us to warm up a bit this weekend going into next week, but the humidity still stays okay. So even though we warm up, it's still nice, but it's going to be really tough to find some rain. The potential that we get, now that system I showed in the East Coast might back our way. I'll show it to you. Plenty of sun, no rain, 87, 86, 88, 89, dew points still in 60s, still comfy. We've got the Alligator Festival tomorrow, Luling. It's going to be great. It's warm in the sun. And we also, if you're traveling into Oxford, look at the high of only 81, hot in the stands, direct sun, but nice in the shade. Sunday, the same thing. We got plenty of sun, top temperature 88, 89, closed in near 90. The typical high is 86. But the dew point's still below, and we are 70, that is, and we're great. So the Alligator Festival Sunday's also looking good. The only thing we need to worry about is maybe we back this system in, and that's Gretna Fest next weekend. But that's a low probability and a low confidence forecast on the rain. So right now, it's just going with a great forecast. Comfortable humidity, a little bit warm, but still a stretch of great fall weather. Sulla.